Hello again, welcome back. I am Brittany. I'm the social media manager here at Orchard Corset, and I have a little instructional how-to video. So this is something that we in customer service get asked pretty frequently, is how to relace my CS-201 Waspie corset. Not just how to relace a corset, because we do have videos about that, but how to relace this one specifically. The number of X's where the laces cross on this particular corset is uneven from the above the waist and below the waist, and can make it a little tricky if you're not really familiar with relacing corsets. So thought that would be really helpful to show you guys how to do that properly. So I have 5 yards of laces here, probably a little more than I need for this size of 201 Waspie, but we're gonna do it anyways. So what you do is make sure that they're even. This will just save you a lot of headache later if you get them uneven. And you go from underneath the grommets, and then you pull them through. And this is just at the very top of the corset. So I have the corset laying out here in just completely flat, and the top is facing you and the bottom is facing me. So this is where you then create your first X right at the top. I like to make sure that they're really smooth. And then you make your other X. So now you have a strip of lace underneath, and then you have an X on the top. And now your laces are underneath the lacing pattern, and you're going to go from underneath the grommet and poke through. And without dropping it, you're gonna create your first bunny ear. So now we're not crossing over to the other side. We're staying on this side and just bringing it directly down to the next grommet. And this is what you're gonna pull on when you go to tie your corset. So just repeat that. So from underneath on the other side, all the way through, and then right underneath into the next grommet from the top. And again, make your little bunny loop. So now you have 2 loops that you pull on, and then you create an X underneath with your laces that are left over. And then an X on the top. And an X on the bottom. And then your last X is above again. And then you just take your little ends and you tie them off to a little knot as low down on the aglets as possible, and you can cut those off if you don't like them. Sometimes people don't care for them being poking like down near their bottom. And so now you can see, so this is the top of the corset, X on the top, and then your little X underneath, your pull loops, underneath, over, under, over. And that is exactly how you lace a 201 Waspie. So I hope you found that really helpful. Please be sure to come back and check out our other videos, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.